Sitting just across from Victoria West Park, the Esquimalt and Nanaimo Railway Roundhouse is one of the finest examples of industrial heritage railway architecture in British Columbia. A remnant of a time when steam and steel defined the growth of Vancouver Island. The railway was an extension of the Transcontinental Railway, built and operated by the wealthy Dunsmuir family, who received nearly 2 million acres of land in exchange for its construction. Built in 1912, this semicircular structure served as the heart of railway operations, featuring an 85-foot central turntable used to rotate massive locomotives into the specific bays for maintenance. Together with the surrounding buildings, the complex was a high-functioning industrial hub comprised of a machine shop, carriage shop, and stores building. While many similar sites across North America had long since been converted into museums or demolished, this site remained an active industrial center into the 2000s, serving as the primary maintenance hub for the Via Rail Dayliner service. It continued to operate in this capacity until it was finally shuttered in 2011. Due to its remarkable state of preservation, the site is recognized as a National Historic Site and stands as one of the most intact, integrated railway assemblages in Canada, appearing almost exactly as it did more than a century ago. The future of this 10-acre property is being defined by the ambitious Bayview redevelopment plan, a vision that seeks to transform the site into a vibrant urban village. The plan integrates its historic core with modern residential towers, repurposing the heritage buildings into a public marketplace with craft breweries and cultural spaces. After nearly 2 decades of delays and planning hurdles, the project finally received the green light from Victoria City Council in July 2025, with site preparations to begin in early 2026. This redevelopment aims to help weave the roundhouse back into the daily fabric of the city, ensuring that the site remains a central gathering point for the community, which honors its industrial past while embracing a modern, social future. Hope you enjoyed taking a brief look at the history of Victoria's E&N Roundhouse. Click here to find out more about another one of Victoria's hidden gems.